morning hours, I came to the paddy fields. Still they haven't started these paddy fields. Still they haven't only the grass and bare land. And so you can see the paddy fields. So this is my tree hut in the village. This is a tree hut. I used to come to see birds and the wild elephant. Can you see this? This is my tree hut in the village. So there's a ladder and there's a up area. You can have a small bed like that and everything. So strongly built. So this is a very important thing. It's very important to see this night wildlife and everything. So you can see this area. This is the Amban Ganga forest area, far away. This is my village tree hut. Strongly built ladder and upper branches. You can see a spacious area. So all the wildlife photography works and note taking and writing down and everything, you can, enough space is there. So you can see this far away, the paddy fields, far away. You can see far away. Actually this very important, this tree hut for this nature and wildlife photography works. So in the morning I went to that area. That is Amban Ganga forest area, Amban Ganga and the Amban Ganga forest reserve. That is that area, and this is the section where you see these wild elephants coming from that section, Attaragallewa side. So you can see my tree hut, ladder, and you have enough space there. Well built on a mango tree, strongly built.